Hey guys, back again, this time to do an unboxing of Oppo R11. This is a 4GB RAM and 64GB storage version. As for the specs, the R11 comes with a 5.5-inch 1080p display, 4GB RAM, and 64GB of internal storage. The R11 coming with a decent 3000 mAh capacity battery, and support VOOC fast charging. The highlight of this phone is the dual camera setup at the back. So let's start the unboxing of this phone. This is a rose gold version. This phone is also available black version. Oppo phones have always followed a similar design as the iPhone series, and the latest R11 and R11 Plus models clearly continue the trend. They look very similar to the iPhone 7 Plus, even in terms of their dual camera placement. I'm not a big fan of companies copying the design from Apple, but it has worked wonders for Oppo in the past 12 months, and there was probably no good reason for the brand to change this strategy. This is feature a dual camera setup at the back. The rear setup consists of a combination of a 16-megapixel with Sony IMX398 sensor, and another feature a 20-megapixel with Sony IMX350 sensor with telephoto lens. In this camera, you can take portrait, bokeh photos, and even 4K videos, either in wide angle or telephoto, from the rear setup. It also comes with 2x optical zoom. In case you are wondering, there's micro SD card support, but it's a hybrid one that either takes 2 nano SIM, or 1 nano and 1 micro SD card. The bezels on the side look slim, and there's a fingerprint sensor embedded into the physical home button, just below the display, much like its predecessor. Wow, this phone comes with a decent plastic case, and it look nice. This box also has an iPhone look-like earphone, the USB Type-C cable, and a charger which is support fast charging. This charger support VOOC fast charging, and this will charge 50% in 30 minutes. And again, thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.